this is Alyxxndra and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you a day in my life. I'm gonna brush my hair and then do my short skincare routine. I'm lazy to have breakfast every morning, but I have to, so I'm just gonna eat this chocolate bread and drink some water. I'm in a long distance relationship with my boyfriend. I play video games with him. That's our dating time. It's 9 a.m. for me and 12 a.m. for him. I'm gonna wash the dishes and fold our clothes. It's time for me to choose some clothes from Fashion Nova that I'm gonna sponsor. It's already 12 p.m. so it's time for me to have lunch. I'm just gonna eat salad and the fish that my dad cooked. While I'm eating, I'm gonna watch a K-drama called It's Okay to Not Be Okay. This is not the outfit that I'm gonna wear for my pictures, but I just don't wanna dirty the outfit that I'm gonna wear later, so I just wore this. I finished doing my makeup. I'm gonna wear lipstick later, and now I have to do my hair. So let's go. Since I don't have a blower because we broke it, I'm gonna use this electric fan, and this is the hardest part for me. This is the final look. This outfit is from Fashion Nova, and now I'm gonna take pictures. I'm just gonna wear some earrings and put lipstick on. Lately, I'm selling the clothes that I don't use anymore or I just used for taking pictures. And today, I have to meet 3 people who bought from me. So now I'm preparing the bags that I'm gonna give them. I'm gonna meet my brother because we're gonna eat at a Filipino restaurant with my cousin and my cousin's wife and the little Jaden. Hi. Where are we going?
We're going to eat some Filipino food. So, what are you gonna order? Oh, okay. Let's see. Hey, Jaden. Ah. What are you gonna order? What are you gonna order?
Waiter ka ba? Dance, 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 dance. Kapit, kapit, kapit. Dance, dance, dance.
Hindi ko alam.